How to remove suggested on Messenger. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can remove suggested on Messenger, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. In order to remove suggested on Messenger, all you have to do is, let me show you what the issue is. If I open up Messenger and then I tap the search option, you'll be able to see a list of suggested people at the bottom, and maybe you don't want this to be seen, you want to hide a few specific people and so on. Well, this is possible, and to do this, first of all, tap the three lines option from the top left and then tap the gear icon to come to the settings option. Once you hear, what you want to do is just go to this option known as privacy and safety. Once you go to privacy and safety, over here you'll be able to see all this. At the top you'll find this option called hidden contacts, and it says hide people from your suggested contacts. So this is the option that we want to check. Once you select this, you just simply want to go ahead and then actually add some people to this by tapping the plus option here and adding a few specific people by just tapping the hide contact option. Just go ahead and tap on the add option, select the contact that you don't want to see on the suggested tab. Once you select them, next time when you come back, they will no longer be there in the suggested feed. This way you can go ahead and remove suggested people on Messenger. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.